This week's top stories. UK government introduces day one right to request flexible working. Millions of employees across the country are set to benefit from new legislation that means flexible working can be requested from the first day of employment. Previously, workers had to wait until they have completed 26 weeks of continuous service to have the legal right to request these arrangements. Royal Surrey Hospital awarded Exemplar site status for cleaning standards. MediRest, the healthcare division of Compass Group, has been recognised for its early implementation of the 2021 National Standards for Cleaning at the Royal Surrey Hospital. MediRest has worked in partnership with Royal Surrey since 1994 and in 2014 took on the delivery of extra services including cleaning and portering. Mitie, only facilities management company to rank in the inclusive UK employer list. Mitie has been named in the list of inclusive top 50 UK employers for the 5th year running. The list is now in its 7th year and rewards companies demonstrating both best practice and innovation in all areas of diversity, including age, culture, disability, ethnicity, gender, LGBTQ+, and religion.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.